It's one of those things you just don't think about. I mean, it's filling a bucket. How hard can it be? Just get the hose, turn on the tap, and you're away. Except you're not away. You're stood there holding a hose pipe. You tried putting it in the bucket, wedging it under the handle, hanging the bucket from the tap. But after all that, the best way is to hold the hose and wait up to a minute per bucket while trying not to think about needing the loo. There is another way. Fix 8 Auto Valve Pro lets you get on with other things while it handles this simple task. It not only holds the hose but will automatically stop when the bucket is full. Want to fill more buckets? Just lift it out and it starts again for the next one and stops when that's full. When you're done, quick release your hose fitting and the Auto Valve Pro is ready for next time. Designed and manufactured in the UK, from super tough nylon, it's virtually indestructible. Efficiency level up with the Auto Valve Pro from Fix8 Car Care. Get yours today. Fix8carcare.com.